Sir,
Hey, sir.
shall we start?
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, participants. I think yesterday you enjoyed Photoshop. So today, Parasham sir is going to start about 3D Max. So very important topic of the CAD in landscaping. Sir, you can start. Participants kindly mute after joining. Thank you. You can start, sir.
Start ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Yeah, you can
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
share.
ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Today topic is a 3D Max. 3D Max is a very important subject in landscaping. You can create it in 2D objects, display in visually 3D. Can use 3D Max software. Very objects easily create in a 3D Max software and easily create a motion softwares walkthrough. Also, you can animate the objects. Also, he used in Film City creation in After Effect and creation in films, creation in lot of things. Every animated movie creation in 3D Max. For example, 2012 and Harry Potter. Lot of movies created in 3D Max. You can also creation garden design in 3D Max. So start a 3D Max. Installation video already shared in. You can install the 3D Max 2008. Various versions of 3D Max. Compatible version used 2008. Also, advanced version in market 2021. 3D Max 2021. So you can use compatible of simple machines, dual core or C2D. Use AutoCAD 2009 and 3D Max 2008. So we can use 2008 3D Max.
चालू.
Okay. You can start 3D Max. You can start 3D Max. Opening the screen of 3D Max, this like. First, welcome screen. Welcome screen. 3D Max welcome screen. Essential skill movies. There are display essential movies. Use the interface of overview. Click on this and see the movie. Use the 3D Max. Viewports of movies and create an object, transfer object, modify object, material editing and animation. There are some movies give a 3D Max. You can easily click on it and see the movie and use in 3D Max. Okay. Click. You can't see the movie. Close. Close. Opening screen of 3D Max. Opening screen of 3D Max. This like 3D Max. Upper bar is also called a title bar. This bar, title bar. Title bar. Title bar. Standard toolbar, also called a main menu bar. Main command bar. Main called a main command bar. And side command panel. Side display command panel and display four views. Four views. Viewports is also called a viewports. Four viewports. Top viewport. Top viewport. Top viewport. Front, left and perspective viewport. You can easily one object display perspective viewport. This like perspective viewport and front viewport and left viewport and the top viewport. Can change viewports, adjust viewports easily, move viewports. Also, down animation panel. Animation panel. Animation panel. This bar animation panel. Animation panel. Status bar. Status of animation of objects. And there are some commands on status bar. Commands on status bar, animation and viewports handling commands in this place. Viewports, handling bars and animation buttons. Animation bar. Okay, opening screen, top bar, title bar and menu bar, main window, main command bar, also command panel and ports. You can use every one port. Can use top view, double click top view, working in top view. Front view, you can work in front view. Left view, you can click on left view, you can work in left view. Can also perspective view, click perspective view, you can work perspective views. You can only use one viewport. Easily select which viewport you work, select and click this button. Maximize view. Click perspective viewports is maximized. Also, you can minimize viewports. Click easily minimize the viewports. Okay. Next, file handling commands. File handling commands, file, save and save as. There are 4 file handling: new, open, save and save as. Open existed file, you can open. New, can create a new project and new. Save, you can store your project in your hard drive. Create a duplicate file in a drive, save as. There are 4 commands, file handling commands. Okay, opening screen of 3D Max. Opening screen of 3D Max. First is commands, main command panel commands. Handling the objects, these commands. First command, undo command. You can create one object, undo one action back. You can one action back, undo. Redo forward. You created one action forward. Undo and redo. Next, link one object to other object. Select a link command. Unlink. Delete a link, unlink command. And also space wrapping. Adjust the space. And select commands. Select command. Select all. Select all geometric objects. You have created a geometric objects. Select only geometric objects. Select geometry. Next, select shapes. Select shapes. You can only select the shapes. All subject selection all. Next, this arrow, select object. Easily click every object, automatically select the object. Automatically select the object. Next object, give. Okay, second object is created. Second object can't display in a viewport, but you select by name. Select by name, click, selection panel is appeared. Select box 1, then click box 1, select box 2, select box 2. Okay, you can select box 2. You can select box 1, click. You can select box 1. Select name wise one object, can select object. Selection. Also rectangle selection. Object drag, window selection, also called window selection in AutoCAD. Click and select rectangle selection. Click, select rectangle, easily move rectangle selection. Rectangle selection. Next, Windows selection. Can select window selection. Select only which object in window. Select only this object. Second, move. move object, move, click and select object and moving object, and next rotate object, click and rotate. Some commands in a main command panel. Command panel. Some commands in the status bar. Easily create a maximize window. Create a maximize window and minimize window. Click on window. Select top view window. Top view maximized or maximized, minimized. Select viewport and click. And pan command. Pan command. Click on pan command. Easily move pan. Easily move commands. Move objects. You can change viewport. Viewport. Click arc rotate. Arc rotate. Easily change arc rotation. Arc rotation. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾ, ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಬಂದ್ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ನಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇದು ಅದ ತೊಂದಿನಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್? ಹಾ, ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರ
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ನಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೋಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ
ಹಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ರೋಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಹಾ,
ಓಕೆ
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ
ಸರ್.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, on the status bar, handling viewports, you can easily click on the maximize button, viewport, maximized. Also, you can click viewport on this button. You can pan command, moving your plotting area. Plotting area move. Pan command, orbit, arc rotate. Orbit command also, you rotate your command. Rotation your drawing area. Rotate. Okay. Also, you can use zoom command. Zoom click and drag. Zoom out, click and drag, zoom in. Zoom out, zoom in easily. And zoom in, zoom out. Zoom all, click the zoom all. Click on zoom all. Also, you can use scroll button easily. Zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Pan command, move the plotting area and rotate area and minimize and maximize viewport. Minimize and maximize viewport. Zoom in, zoom out, viewports. Also, select object. You can select all object. Control A, shortcut key Control A, use there and delete. Delete object is deleted. Object deleted. Can command panel, create one object easily. Box command, freehanded you drawing, drag. Okay. One object creation. Select object and next move object. Move object. There are three axes in 3D: X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. Y axis, green is a Y axis, red is a X axis, blue is a Z axis. You can move X axis, click on X axis and move. Easily move the object. Easily move the object in X axis. You can move Y axis, click on Y axis and you can move Z axis, click on Z axis and move Z axis. Object easily move in Z axis. Okay. X axis, Y axis and Z axis you can use easily move. Also, X axis and Z axis click the center of X and Z. Move X and Z axis. You can move Y and Z axis. Y and Z axis. You can move one object in Y and Z axis. Also, you can move freely X axis and Y axis. Click X axis and Y axis, this square and move. Moving any object, X axis, Y axis.
वो है
Take, move the object. Move the object. Move object. Next command, rotate. Rotate object. Select object and click on rotate. Rotate. There are three colors. Red color, you rotate, can rotate X axis. Rotation in X axis. green color. You can click on a green color, rotate, guideline, easily rotate, y-axis, z-axis rotation, z-axis, blue color, z-axis rotation, such like rotation of object every side. Click on and move the object and rotate the object. Okay. Rotation. Rotation. Next command, scale command, click. Scale command, changes scaling of object, change scaling in x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. X-axis, click red and easily change the scale of x-axis. Can change y-axis, click on y-axis and change object scaling in y-axis. Can change z-axis, easily click on blue color vertex, change scaling in z-axis. Okay. These commands are very important creation in the object. Select command, move command, and rotate and scaling. Scale command. Next, also snapping commands. Snap, click on snap, automatically connect one object to another object. Grid line. This command activate toggle snapping. Snap command, on or off. Snapping on or off. Angle snap, on or off. Percentage snap, on or off. These commands, main commands in 3D Max. First, setting a view of 3D Max and create a workspace, some workspace, then create objects, So you setting customizing. Click on customizing menu. Click on customizing menu. Customizing menu. Some commands in this menu. Customizing user interface. Change the all interface. Click and change command panel, standard buttons, animation bar, and already saved workspace you can load, and changing workspace you can save, and show UI, which commands display on in workspace. Show command panel, show floating panel. You can click command panel of the command panel in 3D Max. Show the command panel, show UI, click show command panel. Next, show floating toolbars. Floating toolbars, you can easily move the command and set every place you can easily move and setting these commands. Customizing, you can change your workspace. Show UI, floating toolbar, click, automatic toolbar is off. Also set a units of measurement. Units, you can create a drawing. which measurement easily select. Display unit scale. Unit scale. Click millimeter, centimeter, meter or kilometer. You can create a small project, select a millimeter, large object, centimeter, meter. Also, big project created in 3D Max, kilometer, like a Bahubali film set or 2012 film set, kilometer. Set units of measurement, meter, millimeter, click. Also use standard US standard units of measurements, decimal, inches or fractional feet or fractional inches, choice or customly units of measurement create here, and generic units select, international or American unit select. Select a metric unit and select a meter. Easily select a meter and OK. Change your units in your workspace. Next setting, click setting, grid and snap setting. Click snap setting, automatically touch one object to other object. It's called snapping. Grid points snapping, pivot snapping, grid line snapping, which snapping, tangent, vertex, all select snapping objects or clear all snapping objects. Standard selection and select grid point only snapping. Okay. Setting units and setting snapping. Snapping, customize viewport configuration. Also viewports setting. Viewport setting also can you change wireframe, flat, SL, smooth, and then click OK. Automatically set viewports. Automatically setting viewports. And the preferences, click on preferences. Also some commands in this dialog box. Click file command, click auto backup, enable or disable. Enable auto backup files every time. Auto backup files 1, 2, 3. You can choose 3. Automatically your project save in your computer. Backup interval minutes, every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, automatically backup the 3D Max. 10 minutes, automatically save the project. Okay. You can also change your preferences, viewports, gamma rendering, and set your workspace. Set your workspace. Then you create maximize viewport of a perspective viewport. In left top corner, change your viewport top corner, right click and views, change your port. You can use front click, easily change your port in front view port. Right click to port, click on perspective port. Okay. Customizing workspace, then use these commands, object commands. Then click on command geometric commands. Geometric commands. First, geometric commands. Also, you can create shapes. Shape commands. Choose a geometric command and easily click command box command. Click box command and free-handed drawing. Click x-axis and y-axis move. Then release the click. You can move z-axis. Z-axis. Click. Z-axis. Also, click on box command. Drag x-axis and y-axis. Release the click and drag top, then click. Easily create one 3D objects. Easily create in 3D object. Display object in UCS. UCS user coordinate system. WCS word coordinate system. You can change arc rotate and change the coordinate. WCS change coordinate system. Coordinate system. Select object and delete. Also, you creation in absolute method, absolute coordinate method. Click on box command. Click on box command. Display create a method. First, create a method cube or box. Create a method cube or box, and here is a choice color of box. Select color of box, then create absolute coordinate method keyboard entry. Next, object parameters. Object parameters. Set also object parameters, length, width, height, and also create segments of objects. Can create box command. This command change the box command and the creation method cube or box. Next, you can also enter the keyboard entry and set the parameters and create a segments. I can create one object, select a box, then select a color, click. Select the color blue and OK. Create a cube, click, easily drag, automatically create one cube. Can create a box, select color, okay, box, drag in X, release your click and then move the Z axis. Easily create one box. easily create one box. Click, drag x-axis and y-axis, then release, click, left click and drag z-axis. Create a one, can change length 5 meter, width 2 meter and height 1 meter. Can create length 5 meter, width 2 meter and height 1 meter. Segments, this only one segment. This side one segment, top side one segment, every side segment only one segment. Can also click box and keyboard entry absolute coordinate, click, where you can create an object, select x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. X-axis 0 coordinate, y-axis 0 coordinate and z-axis 5 meter or 3 meter coordinate. Coordinate set and select length 1 meter, width 1 meter, height 1 meter. And then click on a create button. Click, easily create this object. Object where is it created? 0, 0 and 0. 0, 0 and 0. This object is created x-axis 0, y-axis 0 and z-axis 3 meter. 3 meter z-axis. Creation absolute coordinate method in the 3D Max. Can delete, select object and delete key. Create box. Create box.
फंक्शन की पर से उंगली मार दो तो आ जाता है, इधर से मार दो फंक्शन की पर इधर से उंगली मार दो पॉइंटर आ जाता है, इधर से मार दो.
Hello, sir.
ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್.
Sir, team ಕರೆಯತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
हाँ
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
F139
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾ ಹಾ,
ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್
Hello?
ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ?
ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಹಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
Okay, create one box in the absolute coordinate method and these parameters. Create box, select size, width 2, height 2, 1 cube. Create one cube. Segments Also divide every side 5 parts. Length 5 parts, width 5 parts, divide in 5 parts, height divide in 5 parts. Enter. Okay. Divide in 5 parts. Totally you editing in 125 parts. Easily appear 125 cubes in this box. Click, select single segment. Totally segments, 5 segments. Totally box divide in 125 segments. Okay. Can box create only one segment? 2, 2 and 2. Segment 1, 1 and 1. Okay. This object only one segment creation. You can editing this object, select only one side at a time, click, click, click. You can create one box creation and create segments, and also give a length, width and height of the box. Okay, create a box. Also, you can create a cone. Click on cone or radius. Also, you drag a simple and release the click. Click, second click, and simply drag. Can create one cone. Click. Move the object. Okay. Also, I can tell, click on cone button. Simply drag, release on click, left click, and move on Z axis. Mouse move on Z axis and click, and then drag mouse button. Create one cone. Also, you change radius 1, radius 2, bottom radius and top radius. Bottom radius 1 meter and the top radius 0.5 meter. Enter. Height 2.5 meter. Enter height. Segments, height segments 5, cap, top of the cone is called a cap. Cap 1, cap segments 5 and sides 24 sides. Created rotation, you can also change sides 100. Cone creation 100 sides. Can 24, enter 24. Can 5 sides only, enter. Cone creation of 5 sides, 3 sides, enter 3 sides, click 3 sides creation, 6. Change the sides of 4. Okay. Sides. Next command, sphere command. Click on sphere, drag in viewport easily and release the mouse button. Radius of sphere 1 meter, enter. Segments of sphere 40, enter. 40. Sphere smoothly, display smoothly. Click on smooth, automatically display in smooth. Always display the corners of segments. Display corner of segments. Click smooth. Okay. Next, change hemisphere. Half sphere you can create. Change hemisphere. Easily drag 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter, enter. Create one object, half sphere. Easily create one half sphere. Can create one slice. Slice. Click sphere. Size 1 and create a slice. Slice. Move. Slice from and slice to. Starting and ending point. Slice starting point 25 and ending point angle 325. Enter. Create a slice. Easily move, drag, change the value of slice. Change the value, spin button. Okay, can click center of this button, spin button, and change value of the spin button. Slice from, slice to. Can create a one slice. Next, geospace click geographical स्पेयर एक बनाना है तो क्लिक ड्रैग easily geographical base type on type creation method in diameter or center. Can you give radius? Next, keyboard entry, geographical sphere, and then select radius and segments. Geographical base can change tetra view and octa and loxa. This view create tetra view, smooth view, click, or corner view, click. Hemisphere, click on this, automatically up geographical sphere display. Base on pivot, click, automatically move on Z axis. Create a geographical sphere in 0 in Z axis. Can create one geographical sphere. Can also create cylinder. Cylinder, click on this cylinder, bicycler. Next, keyboard entry. Also, drag and release mouse button and move on Z axis, easily create one cylinder. Can change parameters, height 2.5, radius 1, segments 5, cap segments 1, side 18, change 24. Display smoothly. Smooth. Can also create a slice from slice 2.
माध्यमिक में के कैसे किस लेवल की माध्यमिक में था
Okay.
हाँ, वो तो आयोग से आएंगी क्या उसका होगा प्रीमेन रिटर्न में क्या जीएस
ಸರ್ ನಡು ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ Okay. Next command, tube command. Easily you can tube. Click first circle, second circle, click and move Z axis. Create one tube. Create a tube command. Next, torus, click, easily move and then release and then Z axis size, click. Create one torus and then parameter, you can also create one parameter. Parameter, click on parameter and easily move x-axis and z-axis. Move your cursor z-axis. Click, create a one parameter. Parameters, width 2.5 meter, depth 2.5 meter and height 2.5 meter. Segments you can create 5, 5 and 5. Enter. Parameter, you can rotate a parameter. Next command, teapot, create on click teapot, easily create one teapot. Teapot, click, create a teapot. Also you change teapot parts. First, body, show or hide. Next, handles of teapot. Next, LID. Change parameters of teapot. Okay. Next command, plan command. Click on plan, easily move on x-axis and y-axis and click. Create a one plan base object. Every object create on plan. Plan. Object types, box, cone, sphere, geographical sphere, cylinder, tube, torus, pyramid and teapot and a plan. Click easily every object and create, drag on Z axis, easily create one object. Next command in command panel, shapes. Click shapes, can create line drawing. Select line command. Select line command and create a line. One single line. Click. Create. Click. Then also next point click. Third point click. Fourth point click. And then click. Connect the fourth point and create one object, one rectangle. Easily you can move. Next, create one rectangle. Click, change your parameters, length 20 and width 50 mm, and create one rectangle. Corner of objects. Rectangle, click, corner 20 and corner fillet 50 meter. Easily create one object. 20 meter and a radius 50. Create one object. Also, you can create rectangle 1 meter and 1 meter. Enter and click. Click 1 meter and 1 meter. Click rectangle, select 1 and drag. Click and drag. Okay, rectangle command, circle command, easily click. Enter a radius 1 meter and click. Enter a radius 1 meter and also you can click. Circle command, circle, click. Create object x-axis, y-axis 0, z-axis in 1 meter and a radius 2.5 and create. Easily create one object, one circle, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Y-axis 0 and z-axis 5. Create one object in command entry. Circle, ellipse, click ellipse, easily drag and create one ellipse. Click keyboard entry also, x-axis 0, y-axis 0, 2 meter. Length 5, width 10. Width 10, easily create one ellipse. This object. You can create shapes. Create an arc, click. And a free-handed, click. Can create one arc, click. Second point, then create one arc. Create arc, create a donut, easily create one easily donut. First radius of circle, second radius of circle. Create a one donut and click N John. Create a one polygon, click and drag. Also change parameters, sides of polygon. Star, you can create star easily. Click on this command and click star command, click star command, text command, write single line text, click easily text display. Can write text, click on text, right here, image, and display image, text, can rotate, click. Image. Easily create one 3D text. Then click text, formatting the text, choice a font, what you want, click and italic mode, underline, then click this text and rotate. Easily create this text. Okay, you can create text, can create section, click on section, drag and create a one section. After you create a drawing on this section. Next, helix. Click on helix easily. First radius, bottom radius of helix. Next, click top radius, click, and then turn off helix. Click turn off helix, click. You can create helix, keyboard entry, first 0.5 meter, second radius 0.5 meter, height 2 meter, turns total 10 turns, and the base 0.2. Then click. Automatically create one object. Keyboard x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Radius first 0.5, second radius to 0.5, height of helix 2 meter. Create helix created in this place 0, 0. Okay. You can see display line art. Okay. Next, geometric commands. Click on geometric commands. You can also click standard commands, display some other commands in there. You can easily choose extended commands. You can click extra commands in the command panel. Header, click on header, drag it torus knot, drag it, click, and chamfer box, you can create a chamfer box, click. First release the box, then move on Z axis and easily click, then you drag your mouse pointer chamfer size. Automatically create a chamfer. Click. Can create a one object. Also, chamfer box, click. Keyboard entry, change length 1 meter, 0.2 width, height 0.05, fillet 0.05. Then click. Easily create one box. Create a chamfer box. Chamfer box. Okay. Next, chamfer cylinder. Click cylinder. Click. Then chamfer cylinder. Click. Create a easily one object. Oil tank creation. Click. Click. Easily create one oil tank. Click. Create a oil tank. Oil tank capsule creation. Create a capsule. Click. Spindle. Click and create a one spindle. Click. Easily create one spindle. More commands. Spindle L, can click L shape, click and then move Z axis and set a width. Click. Easily create object. C shape object, click, height and create C shape width. And ring wave, create a ring wave, click ring wave, easily drag and create one ring wave. Ring wave. Then pause, click, move Z axis, easily create one horse. One horse. Okay. One horse. Prism. Click first, second and third. Easily create object. You can also change parameters. Parameters. Okay. Extended object, compound object. Then spindle, create a spindle. One object, select object, you can change parameters of this object. Every object parameters, just click on object. After created object, change your object parameters, select next command, modify, click. Easily change your object parameters. 1, enter, then height, 2, cap height, change. Also, you can change cap height. Blend, you can change blending option. Sides, sides, caps, and height of segments. Easily change height of segments. You can also create a slice from to. Okay. Can change the object of box. Create one box and change box properties. Also you change properties. 2 meter, 2 meter, height 1 meter. Enter. Can change 5 segments, 5 segments, 5 segments. Easily change every object properties. Modify command. You can change your selected object properties. Standard objects, extended objects, then create doors. Some objects, some door objects, window objects already inbuilt in 3D Max. Already inbuilt in 3D Max. Easily select a door, then click pivot door. Click and change parameters. Change parameters or easily drag width of door, length of door and width of door. Next click height of door. Click. Randomly one door is created. Change the parameters of door. Change modify command. You enter height of door. Height of door 2 meter. Height of door 2 meter. Width of door 1 meter. Depth 33. Depth 0.33. Also, you can change easily. Easily door created. Door single side or double side door. Easily click double door, double side. Open a door. Click open door. Door easily opened. Single side door, click. Only single side door display. Okay. Next, change swing, flip. Just click flip, changing a swing. Okay. Can change flip hanger. Click, change the hanger. Can also change door parameters. Thickness, leaf parameters, thickness, change thickness of door. Thickness of door, easily drag. Okay. Top rail thickness, top rail width, change easily. Change top rail width. Display in this point. Rail, this area change. Railing of door. change, and bottom rail changing. Also you can change bottom range. Panels, create a panels, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels. Vertical panels, 5 panels. Change door, 5 panels. Also you can change width of distance of panels and width of panels automatically change. Okay. Panels, panel glass none or glass panel click easily. Thickness of glass change. Also bevelder change properties, change property of door, thickness and middle thick, change middle thick, then width 1, middle thick, width 2, middle thick. Change door parameters. See the door. You can easily create one door. Also sliding door. Also you can create sliding door. Click, easily move fast. Depth, height of door. Then change the parameters. Height 2 meter, width 1 meter, depth 0.05 meter. Then flip front or back. Can open the door, sliding the door. Can see the sliding door. Select door, select modify. Open the sliding door and close sliding door. Flipping side, change a flipping side, click. Flipping side, change. Open and close door. Close door. Create a frame. Frame of door, easily set width, depth and offset. Width, depth and door offset. Easily creation. Lift parameters, also set lift parameters of door. Then you can change color. Click on color, click OK. Change the door color. Also bifold window, click bifold window door, click width, depth and height. Create bifold window. Click modify. Set height 2 meter, width 1 meter, then depth 0.05 meter. 0.05 meter. Okay. Select object, change property of door, double side door, click, double side door easily open like this. Okay. Next, single side door open like this, bifold door. Okay. Swinging side, change swing. Flap, flip. Okay. Easily enter the frame width, increase the frame width, frame depth increase, also offset frame. Change leaf parameters, thickness, top railing thickness, easily change door leaf parameters. Okay, then click. Can also enter windows. Windows, click. Windows, first bearing window, click depth, width, depth and height of window. Easily create one window. Easily create one window. Okay. Change parameters, click 1 meter, width 2 meter, depth 0.08 meter. Create one window. Also you can change parameter horizontal width, frame width, change, and thickness change. Also glazing of window, change, rail, panel count, total panel count of window. Next, width of panel, change width of panel and open, click. Easily open this window. You can change single panel, change this line, window, change this line, swinging in window, right awing window. Okay. Next, casement window, click width, select depth and select height and change parameters. Height 1 meter, width 3 meter, frame size, also insert a frame size, change thickness, change one or two sides, one or two side window. Two sides automatically create two sides. two sides. Click one side. Two, click open window like this. Automatically open window. Okay. Change swing, click automatically change swinging the window. Okay. Window, swinging window. Next command, fix the window. You can easily depth, width, and height. Create one window. Next, projected pivoted window. Click width, depth, and height. Change their parameters. Same parameters of windows, and open look like this. Open like. Also sliding window. First width, depth, and height. Change parameters in modify command. Change open like this. Open like this. Sliding window. Hang, change sliding. Open like this. Okay. Click just projected window. Every window, click and drag it. And drag. Next command, Windows, then AEC extended. AEC object, click. Then foliage, click on foliage, easily create one tree. Create one tree. You have want a tree, click on this tree and easily drag in this viewport. Easily drag in this viewport. Then you change tree parameters. Height of tree. Enter height of tree 4 meter. Density. Change density of tree. Purging. Change. Next, seeds of tree, automatically change tree. Select seeds changing. Click leaves. You want to leaves, enable or disable, on or off leaves. Off leaves and leaves is off. Then click on trunk. Trunk is off. Branches, click off. Branches on or off. Branches. Roots on or off. On or off. On or off. Select this object, display this like. Also can slide, display this like. Also you can create in perspective view. Then click viewport. Never change in viewport. then click never, side click display view perspective view. Can also create foliage, palm tree, click on this palm tree, then change properties. Palm tree change properties, height 5 meter, density, seeds, automatically change this tree. Palm tree change. Palm tree. Okay. Also show or off, on or off leaves, trunk on or then branches, click on or off. Okay. Next, foliage. Garlic tree, garlic object, then you click garlic object and change parameters. Height 0.5. Next, density, change burning and seeds, change seeds. Next, leaves on or off, flower on and off. Also, to choice never. You can easily create a one object. Also, you can use railing, then click width and height, create a one railing. Okay, railing, click and change and easily change railing. Change length 5 meter. Change length, layering, lower railing, posts can easily change this railing properties. Right. Next, commands, wall command, easily you created wall, this object. Click on all, set width and height, then click, easily drag, click and click. And last, escape. Create a wall, the object. Create one wall. Change wall properties. Modify, attach, multiple and left, center or right. Change these properties. You can also create wall width 0.127 meter, height 2 meter, then click, easily move, then click, next click, and escape. Easily create wall. Okay. Also, wall. Also, you can give keyboard entry. Keyboard entry, starting point, finish, add point, and width and height. Then create easily one wall. Enter. Select wall, keyboard entry, select wall color, then x-axis 0, y-axis 0, starting point, add a point, first point, add point, width, height 2 meter. First point, add point, click. Click. Second point, on x-axis 10 meter. Y-axis 10 meter, add a point, click. Easily create y-axis, x-axis, then x-axis 10 meter. Add point, click. Easily create point 10. Then y-axis 20. Add point, easily create like this. Okay. Next, x-axis 20. Add point, create. Next, y-axis minus 20. Minus 20, add point. Easily create minus 20. Then x-axis minus 20, minus 20, add point. Add point. Last 20, add point. Easily create. And last 0, 0, last point. Automatically connect base point. Automatically connect base point. Then finish. Then finish. Easily create boundary of wall. Okay. Wall creation also can plan and extended then foliage, click and change properties. Change properties, height 4 meter, density, seeds, change seeds of tree, next trunk, leaves, branches. Click tree. Also foliage palm tree like this and change parameter 9 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter. Palm tree automatically give 5 meters. 5 meters. Change seeds. Easily you can move this tree. Delete, enter, foliage. You also give history, click and change modify properties. Modify properties. And change, copy, Control C and Control V. Okay. Control C and Control V. Easily move left hand side and click and create a college. Number of objects 5. 5 objects. 5 objects creation. Okay. Okay. You can create college also, railing, and create width, depth, and height. Railing creation, width, left, and height. Okay. Sir.
Okay.
Sir, stop ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ ಸೆಷನ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ, ನಾಳೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್.
ಅದೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನಾಳೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ
ಎನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, dear participants, so today he has covered some icons in 3D Max, and tomorrow also the same thing will be continued, the second part of this modified commands. If you have any specific questions, now it is time for discussion. Another 10 minutes you have, so you can discuss. If any difficulties you have faced, you please ask. Maybe today's class or yesterday class, any discussion you can make now. Okay, please. Hello. Participants, they can unmute and ask questions.
ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರು? ಸರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರು?
ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ
ಹಾ
3D Max ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದಾ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್
ಹಾ
ಮಾಡೋದು
ತಗೋಬಹುದು
ಹೆಂಗೆ
ಸರ್, ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್
ಹಾ
simply
ಓಕೆ
last
Huh.
project, give the object in 3D Max, simply file import, select your CAD project, select your CAD project, AutoCAD project. Hello.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
AutoCAD project, then select AutoCAD project and automatically import in a 3D Max. Then you create a design, particular measurement. Okay.
ಓಕೆ
Sir,
ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಶೋ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್
sir,
ಒಂದು
last
ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ
ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. File, import, select AutoCAD project.
ಹಾ
AutoCAD project. Project D. Then select CAD drawing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ CAD drawing
ಈಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್. Share
ಹಾ
3D Max. ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ
ಈಗ
ಓಕೆ ನೌ
ಆಗೈತೆ
ಇಟ್
ಸರ್?
ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ
ಹಾ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು
You can
ಆಯ್ತು
click on file, then import, select which your CAD project, simply click on CAD project. DWG start. Test. Okay. Then select CAD project on D drive. Select Autodesk. Select 3D Max DWG files. DWG files. Click. Easily display this file. Then click OK. Okay. Merge object with current scene. Completely replace current scene. Then select merge object with current scene. Okay. Then import layer color entry all selection. Import layers. Then all objects weld connected auto smooth unify normally. Then OK. And import a file formats. Automatically import a file in this place. Okay.
Clear to the participants who has asked the question. So
Import.
just you can click on the import and select that file in AutoCAD. Then you have to import here and just you can operate. So that is the answer. I think he has cleared. So any more questions, any more doubts? So I hope no one is asking any doubts. It seems today's class is clear. And if you have still any more questions, you can send to email or you can send to the WhatsApp. So same thing will be discussed tomorrow's class. And one more request to participants is the certificate will be issued based upon two things. One is those who have paid the amount. One. Second thing is we will see the attendance. Daily we are keeping the attendance. Minimum 80% attendance is compulsory to get the certificate. This has to be communicated to other people who have not joining the classes daily. So please tell to the others that the certificate will be issued for those who have attended 80% of the classes minimum. So just like 80% is very minimum in our BSc or MSc degree program, like that, even though you have paid the amount, you have not attended the 80% classes, you will not get the certificate. So my sincere request is make best utilization of this training program. At least a few points you will learn. Then if you practice, definitely you will get the skill in designing with AutoCAD or 3D Max. So with these words, I think today I thank Parshuram Madarkindi, who has taken the classes since beginning. And yesterday we have learned Photoshop. And today he has covered 3D Max, and tomorrow also the 3D Max will continue. And sharp at 2:45, all of you should join. So with these words, I think I also thank my colleague Pawan, who has taken interest and started the session. So on behalf of Floriculture Department, I once again thank all the participants. Even though it is a Saturday, you have joined for the classes, and tomorrow even it is a Sunday, there will not be holiday. So classes will start sharp at 3 o'clock. So please join and please inform others, those who are not attending the classes also. So with these words, once again I thank you and thank you very much. We will close this session. Thank you.
Okay.